Hey, Patrick, how's your morning going?
Pretty good, actually. I just made some coffee, so that always helps. How about you, Shirley?
It's nice, a little slow, but in a good way. I woke up early, sat by the window, and just breathed for a minute.
That sounds peaceful.
Yeah, it was. By the way, hi everyone. I'm Shirley.
And I'm Patrick. We're really happy you're here with us today.
Very happy. This is just a casual conversation, like two friends talking.
Exactly. Nothing fancy, just real life English.
And today, we're talking about something very human.
Feelings.
Yes, talking about feelings.
I was just thinking about that this morning, actually.
Really?
Yeah, I woke up feeling, I don't know, kind of heavy. Not sad exactly, just quiet inside.
Hmm, I know that feeling.
Before we jump in, we want to say something about this podcast.
This script is slow, simple, and very natural.
We speak clearly with easy words
It's made for beginners who want to understand real English.
and also feel comfortable listening.
No pressure, just listen and enjoy.
Okay, so feelings,
Smiles gently. Big topic.
very big, but we'll keep it simple.
Patrick, how do you usually feel in the morning?
Hmm, it depends. Some mornings I feel fresh and happy. Some mornings I feel tired and slow.
Same here.
Today, like I said, I felt a little heavy. Not bad, just quiet.
I like that word. Quiet.
Yeah, sometimes feelings are loud. Sometimes they're quiet.
That's true. When I'm excited, my feelings are loud. I talk fast, I smile a lot.
You do.
And when I'm nervous, my feelings are loud too. My heart beats fast.
Oh, yes, I feel that before meetings.
Me too. My hands get a little cold.
Wow, same.
Feelings show up in the body, not just the mind.
That's a good point.
Patrick, is it easy for you to talk about your feelings?
Mm, honestly, not always.
Yeah?
When I was younger, I didn't talk much about how I felt.
Why not?
I think I thought I had to be strong all the time, like no complaints.
I understand that.
But now I'm learning that talking helps.
It really does. What about you? For me, talking about feelings is easier now. But before, I kept things inside.
Inside where?
Inside my chest, like a little box.
That sounds uncomfortable.
It was. I smiled outside, but inside I felt stressed.
That's very real.
One day I told my friend, I'm not okay, and I cried.
And?
I felt lighter after, like I put down a heavy dag.
Wow, that's powerful.
Yeah, sharing feelings can be scary, but also freeing.
Let's talk about common feelings people have.
Good idea.
Happy,
Sad,
angry,
excited,
nervous,
lonely,
calm.
tired.
Sometimes I feel two feelings at the same time,
Oh, yes, me too.
like happy and nervous,
Exactly, like before a trip.
or starting a new job.
I remember my first day at work. I was excited, but my stomach hurt.
That nervous stomach.
Yes, I kept thinking, what if I make a mistake?
Did you?
Of course, everyone does.
How did you feel after?
Embarrassed at first, then okay, because nothing bad happened.
That's an important lesson.
Feelings change.
They come and go.
Even strong feelings don't last forever.
When I feel angry, I try to wait.
Late?
Yeah, I don't talk right away. I take a breath.
That's smart.
If I talk too fast, I say things I don't mean.
I've done that.
Me too, many times.
We're human.
Exactly.
What makes you happy, Patrick?
Simple things. Coffee, morning light, music.
Music is big for me too.
What kind of music matches your feelings?
When I'm sad, I listen to slow songs.
Sam, it helps me feel understood.
And when I'm happy, I play loud, fun music.
Dancing in the kitchen?
Yes, even alone.
That's the best kind of dancing.
Patrick, what do you do when you feel lonely?
Hmm, that's a good question.
Take your time.
Sometimes I call a friend. Sometimes I just sit with it.
Sit with it.
Yeah, I tell myself it's okay to feel lonely.
That's very kind to yourself.
I'm learning. Before I tried to hide it.
Hiding feelings is tiring.
Very tiring.
When I feel lonely, I write.
Right what?
Just how I feel. No rules, no grammar worries.
That sounds helpful.
It is. The page listens without judging.
I like that.
Do you think men and women talk about feelings differently?
Maybe, but I think everyone feels the same inside.
I agree.
We just learn different ways to show it.
Yes, culture matters too.
In my family, feelings were quiet.
In mine, feelings were loud.
Really?
Yes, everyone talked at once.
That explains a lot.
Hey!
Just kidding. Smiles.
Talking about feelings in English can be hard for learners.
That's true.
Simple words are enough.
Like, I feel happy.
Or, I feel sad today.
You don't need big words.
Feeling words are powerful, even simple ones.
Let's practice a little.
Okay.
Today, I feel calm.
Today, I feel hopeful.
Nice.
And you listening right now, how do you feel?
You can say it quietly.
Or in your head.
Your feelings matter,
Even the uncomfortable ones.
especially those.
Patrick, do you ever feel scared?
Yes, before big changes.
Like what?
Moving to a new place, starting something new,
Fear can stop us.
or push us.
That's true.
I try to tell myself it's okay to be scared.
Fear doesn't mean you're weak.
It means you care.
Beautifully said.
Think. Smiles.
Let's talk about stress.
Stress. A common feeling.
When I'm stressed, my shoulders get tight.
My head hurts.
What helps you relax?
Walking. Slow walking.
Nature?
Yes, trees help.
Trees are good listeners too.
They really are.
When you name a feeling, it gets smaller.
That's true.
Saying, I feel stressed is better than just feeling it.
Words give shape to feelings.
And shape makes things clearer.
Shirley, do you think feelings are good or bad?
Neither. They just are.
I like that answer.
Feelings are like weather.
Oh, explain that.
Sometimes sunny, sometimes rainy, but always changing.
And you don't blame the sky.
Exactly.
That's a great way to think.
Thank you.
Before we end, I want to say something.
Go ahead.
If you're learning English, don't be afraid to talk about feelings.
Simple sentences are perfect.
I feel good. I feel bad. That's enough.
And if you don't know the word, describe it.
Like, my heart feels heavy.
Or, I feel light inside.
English is a tool, not a test.
Yes.
Shirley, how do you feel right now?
I feel calm and connected.
Me too. Warm.
That's nice.
So let's end with a small reflection.
Feelings are part of being human.
Talking about them helps us understand ourselves.
And each other.
It's okay to feel.
All of it.
Thanks for listening.
Take care of your feelings.
And be kind to yourself.
See you next time.
Bye for now.